So in this program, we are going to print the sum of digits after taking the input from the user. For example, if you have a number like 134, we'll print 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So our final answer would be 8. That's what we have to print here. So let's start taking the variable num. We'll ask the user to input the number. Take his or her input. Take answer equal to 0. Set answer equal to 0 to be more accurate. And don't forget to write the data type of answer as well. Now we'll introduce a do-while loop, which will look like this. And it has some basic property like whenever you reach from here to here, and just after you introduce a do-while loop, the property of this do-while loop is that once you introduce this, irrespective of what the condition you're writing here, it will for at least one time run whatever is there inside this parenthesis of do-while loop from here to here, irrespective of what is written in the condition here. So we are going to use this do-while loop here. So what we'll do is we'll first extract the digit of this number. Like for example, 1, 3, 4, we need separate digits of these 1, 3, and 4 in order to add them and give the required result of the user. So digit will be equals to num mod 10 num equals num by 10. I'll tell each of the statement which I'm writing here, and answer equals answer plus digit. Okay, we have to notice the digits data type as well. Okay, so what I have done here is, firstly, we have discussed what is done here. I've just set answer equal to 0, and just after this I've introduced a do while loop where I'll extract the digit of this number. So in this case, let's assume that the number is 134 and the digit will be equals to num mod 10. So 134, this statement is nothing but just the remainder of num after dividing the number by 10. So for example, you have 134 here as num, the user will input. So if you have to find this, what will be the digit? So it will be 134 divided by 10 and taking the remainder of this. So 134 divided by 10 and the remainder will be come out as 4. Therefore you're getting this as the digit here. So digit will be equal to 4. Num equals num by 10. Now notice that num by 10 will be 134 divided by 10, which is 13.4, which is not correct because num is an integer. It's not a float value. It's not a float data type in which you're going to get decimal points as well. It's an integer in which you're only going to get integer as the value. So num will not be equals to 13.4, rather it will be equals to 13, where the decimal part will go away. So num in this case will become 13 for you, and answer will be equals answer plus digit. This is what you have to print at the end. Now notice that answer is set to 0 over here. Answer is 0 plus digit. What is the digit? Digit came out to be 4 here. So answer is 0 plus 4, which is 4 for first iteration. And the condition which I will set here is num is not equal to 0. This is not equal to sign. So as num is not equal to 0, in this case, the num is 13 here, right? So it is not equal to 0. So it will go back here and iterate again. So digit will be this time equals to, now I'll put the num is, as the num is 13 here, it'll reiterate and we'll get digit equals num mod 10, which is 13 mod 10 in this case, right? 13 mod 10. So what will be the digit? 3, right? Because the remainder after dividing this number by 10 will be 3, right? Therefore, you get 3 as the digit. So notice that in the first iteration you got 4 as the digit, and then you'll get 3 as the digit, and finally you will get 1 as the digit. So an answer will be add on as per that, and num will also set as per what we have put the condition here, and therefore answer will be equals to the answer plus the digit which you are getting after each iteration. Therefore 4 in first case, 3 in second case, and 1 in third case in the third iteration. So 4 plus 3 plus 1, which is 4 plus 3 7, and 7 plus 1 8. Hence our program is complete here, and what is left is to just print our answer. The sum of the digits are, or is, right, is answer, and an inline statement which is an optional statement here. So our program is complete. Let's try running it. So it asks input the number 134, and there you go, we get sum as 8. Let's try another number, 10245. What is the sum of this? It is 12. So the answer must be 12, and there it is. It is 12. Thanks for watching it. Hope you like and subscribe.